Alright, this is Epic Revive New Trim and Cladding Restore. So this is for all the black plastic that's on this vehicle. A lot of vehicles have a lot more than that than they used to. All the way around the bottom, all the black plastic surfaces like this, between the windows, even down here by your windshield wiper. So this can really kind of make that look new. This is a unique product in that you just wipe it on thin and it doesn't need wiped off. So we're gonna give that a try. I'll start over here. Yeah, see how it's almost comes out like water. And it's very nice that you don't have to go back and wipe it all off. It's just put it on and you're done. Makes it a lot quicker than a lot of these products. I'm gonna go ahead and open up this lift gate so I can get the whole back bumper, because some of it is under the tailgate, the lift gate. So yeah, I would have missed the whole 2 inches of the bumper if I didn't do that. Alright, so went all the way around. It only took a few minutes. Just gonna start hitting all these other black areas. As you walk around your vehicle, you'll find a lot of them that you may not even think about. So. This is something that I didn't do at all till the vehicle was probably 3.5 years old. And then I did it one time with a different product called Solution Finish, which did a great job. It was more like a shoe polish where you had to use a glove, you had to wipe it right off the paint. So it was very good and effective, but it was really messy. So I like this a lot better, where I don't have to worry about it if it overlaps and gets on the glass of the paint. I'm still gonna go around and wipe it off with a microfiber, but it's not like it's that messy. It's not messy at all. It's like water, so I definitely am more comfortable using something like this than something that's like a dye or a stain. So now, like on this car, a lot of cars have these black plastic strips that go all the way down. And then a lot of plastic in the windshield washer area, or windshield area, excuse me. It's kind of the wipers and pretty much it. I'm just going to go around the car with the rag just to wipe off like where I got it on the glass a little bit, and that's it. So probably just do that about once a year. Okay, so there's a finished product. Very happy with it, the ease of application, and to think how easy that would be just to do once a year to keep it looking new. I mean, after 5 years, I really don't see any fading or anything. I did a little bit after 3.5 years before I put the first restorer on, but ever since then, I think that was about 1 year and 4 months ago or something like that, and I didn't really notice a lot of fading, and I think once a year will maintain it really well. So anyway, I'll put a link in the description of that product.